Hi, I'm Piyush Mahajan, a certified life coach. Today's topic is how to master public speaking. Dale Carnegie, an American writer, lecturer, and developer of courses on corporate training, public speaking, interpersonal skills, and self-improvement, once said, "The students of public speaking continually ask him, 'How can I overcome the self-consciousness and fear that I face in front of an audience?' He said, 'Did you ever notice while going in a train, from a train window, there are few horses which are near the railway track and they are feeding the grass without even bothering of any vehicle passing by. But there are a set of horses which are little far off from the track and a farmer's wife is trying to pacify those horses. How would you cure a horse that is afraid of noise? You will graze him at the backwoods lot where he will never see the automobiles, or you will pasture him at the front of the track which has all the noise-making vehicles going around. Apply horse sense to get rid of the self-consciousness and fear you have. Face the audience as frequently as you can, and you will soon realize that your shyness is fading away. You can never attain freedom from stage fright by just reading. For learning how to swim, you can read books to know how to best conduct yourself in water, but to actually learn swimming, you have to get yourself wet. Similarly, you have to face the audience. You have to speak in front of audience to actually learn how to speak confidently and be connected with the audience. To plunge is the only way. Good public speaking skills is an essential factor to our career growth and our success at workplace. Whether we are at a face-to-face meeting or an online meeting or in a social setup, the way we conduct ourselves is the way the people perceive us. The best we perform, the best we conduct ourselves, the best we connect with people is the way our professional image is made. Research shows that about 10% of the total population love public speaking. They look to the opportunities of facing the public, interacting with the audience. Another 10% is genuinely terrified. They feel physically drained even when they hear of public speaking. Another 80%, the people like us, they do feel butterflies, feel anxious, do not sleep a night before they have to speak, but we really feel that we will get through. The good news is that through preparation and practice, you can overcome your nervousness and perform exceptionally well. Public speaking will help you manage your reputation, boost your self-confidence, and be a great professional. Now, when we have understood that public speaking is an important characteristic of a professional, let's look at the strategies on how we can be a great public speaker. Before you deliver, you must be clear on two things. One is clarity. A good speech is like a pencil. It should have a point. You should be clear on what point, what purpose you are going to give to your audience. What is the purpose of you as a public speaker right now? If you are clear, your audience will be clear. You should be aware why you are going to do a public speaking. That clarity will give you a good base to be a great public speaker. Another thing that you need to take care is organization of your thoughts. Organization is like writing a letter, like we have learnt in our school days. A letter should have a good opening, body, and a conclusion. Similarly, articulate your thoughts so that your speech has a good opening, defines the characters in body, and concludes well so that the audience can connect well to you. After you have drafted a great speech, you should focus on preparing and practicing. Practice the speech. Focus on your body language. Stand straight. Focus on the pauses that you are taking. Have a great voice modulation. Be very comfortable with the visual aids such as PowerPoint if you are going to do a presentation. So be comfortable. Be comfortable with the content. Be comfortable with the body language. and that will do wonders. Now, while you are delivering the speech, take care of three things. One, that you need to connect with the audience appropriately. Connecting with audience has a lot of benefit for you. You start feeling comfortable and come out of that isolation, and your audience start feeling connected with you. They start feeling connected with what you are going to say to them, what you are going to talk to them, and take care of the body language as mentioned before. Second thing that you need to take care is that in case you are feeling nervous, take a deep breath. Thirdly, be positive. Think positive so that your thoughts are positive, so that your delivery is positive and you have a positive body language. Isn't that simple? Expect and accept that you will feel anxious, especially during first few minutes, but it will slowly go away. Focus on your purpose of the speech, and your preparation will really help you be a great public speaker.